Hi guys, I did a pulse motor the other day using these fridge magnets. They got ceramic magnets in them and it worked. It wasn't one of my best, but it did work. Then I remembered I'd got these from Poundland. I can't actually remember what they're called, but they've got 6 magnets inside them and you're supposed to do various tricks with them. They come in a set of 3. And you do things with them. Anyway, I thought, I wonder if I can spin those up like a pulse motor. So the one that I've got in there, I took apart and turned all the magnets the same way round, because when they come, they're alternate. So north, south, north, south, north, south, north, south, all the way round. And I've changed them so they're all facing the same way. Still using the same coil that I used for this one. I'll just move this out of the way so none of the magnetism affects it. Just using one AA battery. You can see it. Are we going to get that in the right position straight away? Unlikely. This is the reed relay, which actually, when the magnet goes past it, the contacts go together and make the circuit, which then sends the current through the coil, which, depending on which way around you've got it, either attracts or repels the magnets that are in there. Oh, there we go. So yes, you can make a pulse motor with one of them. Only I did change all the magnets so they all pointed the same way. Obviously, if I was going to make this a permanent setup, I'd actually arrange for this to be fixed in place. See if I can get a bit closer. Probably hear it rattling. It's just got, I 3D printed a hub for it so I could put a needle through the middle. The point of the needle is going into a screw at the bottom there, just into the top of a crosshead screw to locate it. And the top end's being held in place by a magnet at the top there. I might turn the sound up so you can hear it rattling, because it's out of balance, which is why it's rattling. move it out of position, then it's not pulsing at the right time, and it'll slow down and stop. This is the simplest sort of pulse motor you can make, with a reed relay to do the actual pulses for you. But the problem with this is it sparks where the contacts go together, and they do eventually weld themselves together, so it doesn't work at all then. You have to get the position just right so it completes the circuit at exactly the right time to send a magnetic pulse to push the magnets away. It will actually work both ways, pushing or pulling, or attracting or repelling, if you get the timing right. And if I tried it with more than one battery, it was too powerful, and that was throwing everything out, because it was too big a magnetic field it was creating. And just in case you're confused, these yellow ones are dummies, they're not actually batteries. They're just taking up space, so we got a continuous electrical circuit. So I just made that, 3D printed that bobbin just to fill up the space, so we could get the needle in the middle. There you go. That's the magnets inside, 6 of them. So I turned 3 of them round so they were all facing the same direction. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.